Hello, Sudoku friends. Good evening. Welcome today. Yes, today in today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 8th, 2023, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star. We have a Sudoku with 4 stars and 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the final puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Yeah, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Alright, this one, the first one, number 6560. 6560. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1 star puzzle. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one, 40 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, there are only 3 places left for the 5 to be here, or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row above, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, okay, and now I cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column be 3 in the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next door, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9, okay. Then we have 7 here, 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this third row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now, 4, 3, okay. Interesting. 5. Need a 6 here, need a 9 here. 3, wow. I need a 2 here, need a 6 here, 5, 5. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6, 5, 6, 7. Need a 8. 2. With the 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, 2. Okay, we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Alright, 1 and 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 3, 3. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 in that row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 in the first column should be there. 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. 1, 7, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, this box can be a 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. This box can be 7, we have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. So the 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 now in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The third pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 7 is missing, and 8, and a 9. So the 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for 3 could be here, could be there. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Well, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 8 and a 5, okay. Need an 8 here. We have a pair. We have a 2 and an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, we have a 2 and an 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in the third row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row, third row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Yeah. 1749. Made a mistake here, and we have a double 1 here. Need a 3 here, not 1 and 7. 3, first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. Yeah, we already have a 1 here, so this should be the 3 and the 7, not 1 and a 7. This should be the 1 and an 8. Okay. Let me think. 3, 3, 3. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in the second row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 319. 8, 5. Ah, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 now in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 1, there we have a 1. That means in this row, we need a 1. That box should be a 1, because this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. This box can also not be 1. We have a 1 over there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 missing numbers. Oh, need to wait. But we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 6, 5. Need a 5 here. 5 and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mother. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 and a 5. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. And look, we have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. Okay, so need an 8 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 3 should be there. Now we have 3 and a 7 in this column. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this column, no 7 and 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes here. Finishing the 30 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 15 or 14 minutes, and we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.